my channel. Long time no see. Your girl is finally back, and today we're going to be trying out some shapewear. So I was reached out to from Shapellx, and they sent me some of their body shapewear to try out for you guys. And also I'm going to be giving you guys a 15% off discount code to use, so you guys can also get your own shapewear. So as you guys know, recently I just got married. If you didn't, yes, I just got married. And when it comes to like for a wedding day, you definitely want to wear some shapewear if you can with your wedding dress, or even if it's not the actual formal wedding dress, but like the party dress and for your vacation and stuff. So during my honeymoon, I did wear some shapewear, but I didn't wear the Shapellx shapewear. So I'm really curious to compare some shapewear that I already had versus their shapewear to see how theirs is different from one that you can typically buy at a store. So okay, so I live in Texas and it is summertime now, so shapewear during summertime, it's kind of tricky. So I'm hoping that this shapewear is breathable and it feels kind of comfortable, because during summer months, like, no one wants to wear shapewear, but that's my hope and prayer. So I did bring down like 2 different dresses that I don't know which one I'm gonna try with the shapewear. I know one is shorter than the other, but they're both pretty tight dresses and fitted dresses. So normally when I wear tight dresses, I may wear something like these. This is Greg's old like workout shorts, but I like them because they are kind of tight and they kind of give me a little bit of smoothness, because I have my little pooch here that you guys can kind of see a little bit. And then I have stretch marks on my stomach, and for some reason these stretch marks kind of show when I wear like a fitted dress that's kind of silky. Like, you can see the imprint of my stretch marks through my dress, which is kind of, I don't like it. So I usually wear something like this that comes like way up here, and this crotch part, like, you know, the guys part don't really show, because normally I'll probably wear like inside out. So like this, nothing shows. And I'll just wear all the way up because they're pretty long, so I'll wear them all the way up. It doesn't really bring in my shape, but it just helps with the mom tummy and then the stretch marks. If those are dirty, I would typically wear like grandma panties, so they come up a little higher, just to kind of even out the pooch area, so that you can't see like this, like when I'm wearing a dress. So that's something I would do if those are dirty. Now recently I've been wearing this shapewear here. I got this from Kohl's. It's by Madden Form. I don't know, I've never heard of the brand, but I wanted something for my tight dresses on my honeymoon, and it has like, it's a full body like shapewear. It's something I wanted that comes up over the bra, straps over the bra, and it smooths out the back fat, because that's something that with plus size women, that's something we typically have, is the back fat. So I love this shapewear. This is the back here, and then this is the front, and you can see it even comes like through the crouch, so it kind of gives you that full coverage, especially for any type of like back fat and mom pooch. So another shapewear I do have is this one here that I bought, I think from Kohl's or from another store. It's the same brand as the one I just had previously, but this is like just the bottoms. I think I did get this from Kohl's like a while back, or Target. It's just the bottoms. The only problem with this is that it typically rolls down after a while. It doesn't really help with the back fat, like at the top here. It doesn't do much of anything except for the pooch area, but by the time it roll down, it's a whole different story. So this is just good for like if you're wearing like pants and you need to like kind of fit, you need that extra little space. This is good for that. So Shapellx sent me their Lycra Move full body shapewear, similar to the tan one that I have. I did ask for a 1X or extra large, no, 1X, because the one from Kohl's, so this one from Kohl's is a extra large. I got it in an extra large. I wasn't gonna get a large, but I felt like the extra large. This one, I believe it's a extra large to a 2X. Now off the bat, you already see it's a lot smaller than the tan one. Even though I wore that one, it didn't really like stretch out. It's a lot smaller. The fabric is different. You can hear the fabric is a lot thicker. It's harder to stretch out. It still has the shorts. I feel like I'm kind of concerned that this band right here is going to show in the dress, because my other shapewear, it's just, there's no seam or nothing. There's no like fold over seam or anything. Oh my God. I didn't realize that this one had a hole in the crotch so you can go to the bathroom. What? Didn't know that. Oh, this one does too. They have a hole. I don't know. Am I not supposed to wear panties with this? So I'm like I said, I'm not experienced in shapewear. So I'm assuming this is the front, or is this the front and this is the back? I think this is the front, and it's really thin at the front, I guess, for your bra and your boobs. And then this is the back. Yeah, because it has the butt seams. So let's go ahead and try on the dress with the Shapellx shapewear first, and so you guys can see, and then we'll try it on with the Kohl's ones. So I decided to just show you what the shapewear looked like before I put the dress on, and it's pretty comfortable, like breathable up here. And then I'm glad I kept my panties on so I can show you guys right here. I want to show you guys, I do have panties on, but it kind of goes up in there. Now the hole makes it very uncomfortable because it's pulling in between my thighs. It's doing something weird. Okay, so I won't be able to tie it because my man's not here to help you girl out. Okay, you can wear this shapewear with this type of dress. That's my bra. But look, oh my God. Okay, come through, sharp. You can still see the imprint of my belly button. I don't know. My belly button has its own mind. Okay, come through, fakery, trickery, catfish. It makes my butt look pretty nice. Like, I got a nice little curvy curve going on right there. I like this. You can still kind of see the mom pooch just a hint when I do something like this or like this, which is, it'll be all right, it's fine. I do like it though. Okay. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see. Let's see. Okay, so I can raise it up. You can kind of see it right there. When I do look down, you can kind of see where that seam is on the shorts. It's kind of cutting, but because this dress has so many like ruffles right here because it's long on me, it's right here. You can't see it too much, but you can see it a little bit. So I forgot to show you guys what it looks like without any shapewear. Let's start there. So this is me without any shapewear. As you can see, you can faintly see my stretch marks. You can see my mom pooch. Now, hold on. Okay, so see, with my panties are up, it kind of helps smooth down, but then you can see like this right here. My butt still looks normal. Everything looks fine. It's just, you can see the stretch marks, and then this is not really sucked in. All right, so as you guys can see, total difference. And I did try it on the other way around with this on the back and the other one on the front, and it didn't fit right. So this is the front of the Kohl's one. That's my butt. And as you can see, it does smooth out, and usually Greg goes in the back and pull it up. It looks weird. Sorry. But the fabric is thinner. It's comfortable, it's breathable, but it doesn't suck in as good as the other one. Like, I've noticed that off the bat. Like, the other one, you couldn't see my belly button as much as you can on this one. This is how the dress looks. It's similar. Like I said, you can still see my belly button imprint. It's not as smooth, but you don't see that line on my leg. And obviously you can't wear this one with any type of dress that has the back out because It's a full back, and you can kind of see more of my mom pooch here. You know, you can kind of see some texture. Okay guys, so I definitely love the Shapellx shapewear way better. It smooths me out so much better. It doesn't have all the texture, or you can't see like my belly button hole, and you really can't see my mom pooch that much in that one versus this one. You can see it even if I'm walking. You can see more of my love handles on this side of the Kohl's one. See, the profile view is definitely different. And plus, in the inside of this Shapellx shapewear, they have this extra layer of protection right here on the stomach to also help smooth and get rid of any wrinkles on your stomachs or stretch marks or anything like that. It does have the crotch hole, and then the different multi-fabrics going on. Well, especially the thickness, the consistency of the fabrics is nice, but the thickness is different. Like on the legs versus on the butt, it's very like sheer. And still really stretchy and durable. Like, that's crazy. The straps are pretty thick, but they're also removable. You can take the straps off. So if you have your own like bra straps that's thicker, because you want them thicker, you can definitely replace the straps. The straps on the ones from Kohl's is not removable. You cannot remove the straps. The strap, I think they're about the same size, if not, the one from Kohl's is a little bit thinner. They both have the adjustable like bra thing where you can make it hold more or hold less depending on your boob size. And yeah, overall the quality is great. This is something I would definitely wear when I'm going like out to dinner, trying to look my best wearing something like this. I would definitely wear the Shapellx. I really love this a lot more. I wish I had this when I was on my vacation versus this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. Don't forget to check the 15% off discount code down below with the link for you to go ahead and purchase this shapewear or any of their other shapewears on their site. And if you have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below and I will get to you as soon as I can. Bye guys.
Already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.